Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to Simon Says Ride. Now, people kept asking me, dude, where is the Gixxer? Where? Here it is. I still have the bike. So I thought I might as well make a vlog on it today. I recently stopped making much videos. I just make ride videos now whenever I go out for a ride, like a weekend ride. Ooh, and these kind of roads is where I like this bike. And I really struggle on those roads when I'm on the RC. So I thought I'll talk about how do I feel. Like, I have two bikes. I ride two different bikes, entirely different. One is probably the best 150cc bike available today in the market, and one is the best 200cc bike. I mean, I like to call it that. I know people say that no, Pulsar 200 RS is a better bike than the RC. I really don't like that bike. So anyways, coming back to the topic, I thought I'll tell you guys how does it feels riding two entirely different bikes. Gixxer, I like to commute on the Gixxer because it's super easy, super cool. I mean, on the traffic filled roads, and you know, our roads are in very bad condition. The traffic is horrible, and you can never be ready or prepared for a pothole. You'll never know from where it comes and hits you. I mean, the roads are that bad, man. Oh, what is this guy doing? So, and the Gixxer is fun to ride in the city, and the RC is an amazing bike for weekend trips. Like when you take it out on the twisties in Mumbai, or rather I should say in Maharashtra, we are blessed with lots of hills and mountains and amazing landscape, and probably it's the perfect and the best place to ride a motorcycle if you're a motorcycle enthusiast like me. So I really have great fun riding the RC in the weekends, and when I have to fight with city traffic, is the Gixxer. Gixxer is the bike of my choice. I mean, this bike has got power, it has got flexibility. I mean, you can easily take it through traffic, you know, between cars, split lanes, do all kind of shit. And I mean, it's really fun and easy to ride, man. You don't have to worry about anything. I mean, my speedometer is broken, my fuel indicator is broken. I'm not really sure whether the RPM meter is also working. The gears get stuck. I mean, the bike is not in a very good condition right now, but I still love riding it in the city traffic. The RC also, I try to commute on it sometimes, but it's a bit hectic, man. I mean, the RC, you know, it's not very great when we have to deal with potholes. And I mean, look at this, man. They were supposed to repair this road in the monsoons, and now is when they finally got time to fix this road. And what an amazing job they're doing. I mean, they just blocked off the road and they have scraped off the tarmac from the surface of the road. I'm not sure what they have done, and that's really horrible. So precisely my point. I mean, you get unpredictable road condition wherever you go in the city. I mean, look at this. I mean, I'm just this is such a horrible road. Oh shit. Oh. So you definitely would love to ride a bike like Gixxer. RC will struggle a lot on these roads. I mean, also, but good thing about the RC is it's really easy to split lanes with the RC because the bike is super narrow, man, and you can fold off the antlers. I like to call it the antlers. So you can just close down them, and you can go through the traffic. I mean, split lanes and go between two cars. I mean, stupid drivers. Oh shit, this road is so horrible, man. It's too risky, man. So yeah, People keep on asking me, dude, how do you feel riding two different bikes? I mean, it's fun, man. Like, I ride the RC a lot, and then for a while, just for a change, I ride the Gixxer, and it feels amazing. I mean, you know, you get used to riding the RC, then you get bored. You know, it's obvious, man. It's human tendency to get bored with even good stuff. So after some point of time, you get bored. You feel that I should try something else. So I ride the Gixxer. So it's fun to switch bikes, man. Like even when you're commuting. So you know, when you start getting bored with one bike, you just go and switch on to the other one. And the good thing about that is, like, you have a different riding position altogether. You have to get used to it. Like, it takes a couple of days for you to get used to the new riding position. Like, the Gixxer is more commuterish, and the RC is way too committed, man. So yeah, it's fun. It's fun to get the process is fun, man. You have to get used to the two different bikes, and then finally, when you start getting used to the bike, you start missing the other one. It's like a love and hate relationship. I mean, it's really fun, like, when you think about the other bike. Like, yo, man, I really need to ride that bike, but riding this bike is also fun. So yeah, so it's always fun to have two different bikes, and I love riding it. It makes no sense to have the same kind of bike, two same kind of bikes. Like, you have two commuters. Like, it makes no sense. Like, it's good to have a sports bike and a commuter. And I know a lot of people hate me for calling RC a sports bike, or to be more precise, RC 200 as a sports bike, because they think 200cc cannot become a sports bike. I mean, fuck you, man. Who are you to judge? I can give you a hard time any time of the day on that 200cc, so I can easily call it as a sports bike. By the way, the RC is out for servicing, so I left it with my brother. He's gonna take care of the servicing and stuff. So probably I will, or actually he needs it for something, so he's gonna have the RC for a while. I'm gonna be riding the Gixxer. Probably the next weekend I'll be riding the Gixxer. I don't know, there are still no plans yet for the weekend, but probably there would be. So, which is my favorite bike? Probably the RC, because I can do both on it. Like, I can commute as well as I can take it out for weekend rides. But the funny thing is, like, after I started riding the RC, when I started riding the RC, I thought it was really very uncomfortable to ride the RC in the traffic situation in the morning commutes. But then gradually, when I got used to it, and after that, when I switched back to the Gixxer, now I feel that the Gixxer is a bit more uncomfortable compared to the RC. I mean, this is funny, man. I mean, this is really funny. I cannot explain it, but I feel that the body got used to that riding position, and now I feel the commuterist style to be a bit more uncomfortable, because my entire weight is on my butt, and I can feel the pressure on my back. So it's kind of becoming uncomfortable to ride the Gixxer now. So it's really funny. I never thought that this would happen. When I was thinking to switch the Gixxer for for a week with my brother, I thought you know, it would be fun to ride the Gixxer. It will be the commutes will become more comfortable, but it's the other way around. Now I really miss the RC for the commutes, because I don't know, man, the body just got used to it. So you guys should try this out, man. If you ride a sports bike daily and you feel that it is uncomfortable, try commuting on a commuter, and you will feel that your sports bike is much more comfortable. Because I know, is it the riding position, or is it the comfort, or you know, the way with you used to tackle the traffic, the way with which you used to tackle the traffic. I mean, there are many things. There are so many things to consider. But right now, I should say that I feel the RC was a bit more comfortable, and I miss that bike. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope I made some sense. I don't know, I just thought of making this video because I've not been uploading for a while now, because the whole YouTube scene is kind of messed up. The viewers are distributed to, you know, watching videos which are specific to bike and not motor vlogs as such, so I really didn't feel like making normal videos like normal vlogs. So yeah, and thank you for the support, guys. I'm very close to 5,000 subscribers, and it feels really great. The way with which the count of subscribers keep on increasing day by day, it is really encouraging, man. It feels like finally I feel the world needs me and I'm important in this world. So yeah, it's a funny feeling. So see you guys in the next videos. Keep watching, stay subscribed. This is your host Simon signing off until the next ride. Be safe, ride safe. Bye bye.